So anyway, hello fellow coin collectors, and in this video we're actually going to just have a quick look at those coins that are actually searched, and we're going to see if they have a small or large SD, a gap in between there, maybe we'll check to see if it's got 3.5 claw, and we'll see if so the IRB, see which ones are actually joined together. So I've actually made a list. Okay, so I made a list. It's only a rough list, so 3.5D, small, large SD, IRB joined, RB joined, none of them joined, and the actual gap. And just put a cross to see, which ones I have actually found. So the earliest date I got is actually 2004. And if we actually look at that, the RB is joined. And I've only got 2 coins, so you can actually look at that one. It's a bit hard sometimes. Yeah, the RB looks joined on that one as well. There you go. RB. Okay, so 2004 we have the RB. So RB 2 or not, that means it's got 2 coins. So let's have a look at the actual claw. No 3.5. Large SD. So for the large SD, what you need to do is you actually need to get a 99 coin. And this one usually has the small SD, so you can actually see a size difference between both of them. So there you go. So this is the small SD, this is large. So just use a 99 coin for reference. So they both got large SD. And any gap? No gap. So there you go, that's what we found. IRB, RB joined, large SD, 2 coins. So let's have a look at 2005. And RB joined, I separate, RB joined, I separate. So that's actually good doing it that way. Then no gap, large SD. Oops, doesn't matter. So that one, we'll just put 1 coin actually. Just the 1 coin. And you just continue on with all the other dates. So 2006. Does that look like IRB joined? Bit not too sure on that. RB is joined. I'm going to say that's IRB joined. See, they're all the same. So that is 3 coins. Then we look to see gap, large SD, gap, no gap, large SD, and no gap on large SD. So they all seem to have large SD. And then doesn't matter what date you do them in. So RB joined, 210, RB joined, RB joined, and then we want no gap, large SD, large SD, no gap, large SD, no gap. Then we have 2007. Looks IRB joined. Large SD, so we need the reference coin. Yep, large SD. And no gap, so it's 2007. Okay, then we got 2009. So here we actually have, is that joined? Might be. Need to actually get a IRB, not too sure on that one. So put that down, 2009. It looks like that might be separate, just yeah, that's not together. Definitely separate. Let's zoom out a bit. So yeah, when they're actually like this, actually a bit harder. Oh, this one's been a bit damaged. So I'm not too sure on these ones. Based on the other ones, I'm going to say they're IRB joined. Okay. Because unlike the 210, so the 210 you can see it's separate, but the 2009 looks like they might be actually joined. Let's get another one. This one is 2006. See, 2006 was joined, and these ones look pretty much the same. So I'm going to put them as joined. So joined 2009, no gap, large SD. So let's have a look at the rest. No gap, large SD. No gap, large SD. No gap. Yeah, it's still 2009, large SD. 2009, no gap, large SD. And the last one we had was no gap and large SD. So 2009 IRB joined. So how many coins we got? We have got 6 coins. So that's what you need. You need to probably like have a few hundred. And then we got 2008. So 2008. So IRB's joined. These ones you can find the gap. So large and no gap. Okay, this one's a bit. Looks like the IRB might be separate. Yeah, it looks a bit separate. But because it's actually damaged, large and no gap. Let's have a look at that one again. The first coin. They look like just touching. Okay, separate. Ooh. So here you go, got two 2008s. One's definitely separate, and the other one actually looks joined. Oh, no, it looks a bit separate. Oh, it's just so hard when it's just so close. Now let's have a look at the rest. So, that's separate. 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 So let's have a look at the second one again. No, that one's separate. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, just separate, I'd say. Anyway, I'm going to put them down as separate. No gap. Larger, no gap. Larger, no gap. Larger, no gap. Larger, no gap. And larger, no gap. And the last one, no gap and large. So they're all large SD. And how many coins was that? That was 7. So 2008, large SD. IOB, so they're separate. And none of them actually had a gap. Okay, let's have a look at some other dates. So here we have a 212. IRB, I think this is the only coin I've got 212. So that's, and no gap, large SD. So I haven't found any with small SD yet. Okay, 213s. So these ones have IRB together. Bit hard to see. The bottom one you can see it's definitely separate. This one, separate as well. And no gap, no gap, large SD. Yep. So that was what, 13, large SD, 2, and 2. Then we have, oops, 2013. That was 2014. So these ones have IRB separate. Almost joined. It's separate. Let's have a look at the next one. It's the first one again. Yeah, I'm going to say they're all separate. Anyway, it gets a bit hard when actually nearly join. Okay, so SD, no gap, SD, and no gap, large SD. Basically, that's what we're actually finding in those. So free. Then we have some more coins. So we've got 16. Got a few 16. Oh, these are all 16. Anyway, so let's have a look at 16. IRB joined. IRB joined. IRB joined. No, RB joined, should I say? Not IRB joined, RB joined. RB. And RB joined. So, 6 coins. Okay. No gap, large SD. No gap, large SD. Any other varieties? No. No gap, large SD. No gap, large SD. No gap, large SD. And the last one. No gap, large SD. So that is with the actual 6 coins. 16. And do I have any others? I think I've done them all. Anyway, so that is actually what I've... Okay. 99. Where's the 99 ones? Okay. The 99 coins have IRB separate. So if we look at the actual other dates, you can see the RB is joined. So it has actually has a different font. That's why they're actually separate. RB, RB. So I should have actually done 99. Oh, I didn't put 2099 on it. So they both have and they have a small SD and no gap. Okay, small SD, no gap. Small SD, no gap. So what you need to notice about the 99 and the 2000 coins is actually the engraving is actually a lot thicker for the platypus. So that means the platypus is actually thicker. I think like about 1 millimeter. So the actual stamping of the coin, it would be a lot. They would use a lot more pressure. And so it'd actually take a lot more to actually wear down a coin from 99 to 2000 and 2001 plus, because the image is a lot shallower. So it would actually wear down a lot better, a lot quicker than the 99 coin. So that's basically it. And that's probably why the SD is actually a lot smaller as well. Anyway, that's this video. Going to search through these coins. So what did I actually find? Okay, so the actual 99 had small SD and IRB separate. Most of the other coins actually had RB together. Some of them had IRB together. So 06, 07, 09. And almost all of them had the large SD, with only the 99 having the small SD. And I didn't find any of the gaps, so 2008 probably that. And none of them had 3.5 claws. Anyway, thank you very much. And I hope this inspires you to actually do some research yourself. Thank you very much and goodbye.